Hello, dear children, good morning. Today we are going to do the reading part of your fifth chapter, The Plateau and Desert Regions. Children, all of you open your textbooks. Open chapter 5, The Plateau and Desert Regions. We are going to do the reading part. See, the plateau, Plateau, plateau and desert. Desert, desert regions, regions. Okay. C. Southern Plateau, Southern, Southern Plateau. A plateau is a highland which is higher than the land around it and has a flat table-like top. That is why it is also called a tableland. A plateau is a highland which is higher than the land around it and has a flat table-like top. That is why it is also called a tableland. Location and extent. The region extending from south of the northern plains to southern tip of the Indian mainland is a plateau region. The plateau mainly covers peninsular India and is inverted triangular in shape, broad in the north and narrowing, narrowing down as it extends southwards. It is thus called the Peninsular Plateau. This region is bounded bounded by hill ranges. Aravalli Range in the northwest, the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast, the Eastern Ghats to the east and the Western Ghats to the west. The plateau has a rocky and uneven surface. The Peninsular Plateau covers the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra and eastern part of Kerala. The main cities of this region are Bhopal, Indore, Hyderabad, Mysore and Bangalore. The river Narmada divides this plateau into two parts, the Central Highlands in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The Central Highlands. The Malwa Plateau in central India and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the eastern together make the Central Highlands. It is bordered by Aravallis in the northwest, Vindhyas in the south, Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east and Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. It is bordered by Aravallis, Aravallis in the northwest and Vindhya Hill in the south. Rivers originating rivers originating in the Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa and Son. They join Ganga and Yamuna flowing northwards. Narmada and Tapi originate in the Vindhyas and flow westwards. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers the states of Jharkhand, northeastern Chhattisgarh and northern Odisha. The fine black soil in the Malwa Plateau region is suitable for the growth of cotton and oil seeds. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. It extends from river Narmada to the southern tip of peninsular India. It is bounded by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats on the western and eastern coast respectively. Western Ghats include the Nilgiri Hills, the Anaimala Hills and the Cardamom Hills. The hills of the Western Ghats are comparatively higher than that of the Eastern Ghats. Both the Ghats join each other at the Nilgiri Hills. rivers. We will continue this from the next class. Once go through the today's class, children. Bye. Thank you.